Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. Today's video comes from our Bagua training. It is Bagua Switching. It's great for flexibility and suppleness in the back. But before we get to that, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day. From the spine into the ground, this spirals. It spirals. It spirals. Okay, so let's add a couple more pieces into this. All right. So what we're going to do is as we turn, once you've completed, you're going to relax and you turn back. The rear hand's going to come from underneath and clear. Relax. Go back underneath and clear. Now the spiraling motion is you're going to push off the opposite leg. I'm going to turn, and here's my rooting coming off. Do your best to maintain. I'm giving you a lot today. It's in one exercise. Do your best to maintain a willow palm, okay? Nice and slow. This is you, Bagua. All right, nice and slow, nice and simple. Rotate, push off the back leg as you finish the spiral. Good. Relax, turn back to your right a little bit. Left hand's going to come up from underneath and rotate. Very nice. Relax. Rear hand comes up from underneath, and now rotate and press. Very nice. So you're going to inhale and exhale. Inhale, spiral the palm, spiral the palm. Nice and easy, nice and gentle. Do not rotate the hips, rotate just from the waist. This is just to supplely move the spine. Turn your head and follow your hands. Nice, very nice. Okay, now a little bit faster and just a little bit more supple. Just turn the waist and the hips. And relax. Switching out of Bagua. Really simple. So let's work it through. So you guys have all done this. It's prevalent in what? In all the forms, especially in the Tai Chi form. Okay, so what we're going to do is our hands are going to come up and we're just going to rotate. This is the first piece, right? Come up, turn, and switch. So watch me here. Turn and switch. Come up, turn, and switch. Come up, turn, and switch. Nice and simple, okay? Come up, turn, and switch. Piece A. We'll talk through it. Give me a minute. So another aspect of it is I want you just turning side by side. As you progress, you want to start going a little further and a little further. The key in the internal arts is having a very supple spine, okay? So nice and simple. So you all did this in the 18 Tai Chi Qigong postures, right? All I'm doing is adding something in all of the systems called a willow leaf palm. Okay, you see it in the Tai Chi, you see it in the Xing and the Bagua. So in the willow leaf palm, the index finger is back a little bit and the thumb falls forward. So this is known as a willow leaf palm. It really stimulates pericardium 8. So when you're doing all your movements, it's super prevalent in the Bagua. This is your willow leaf palm. Okay, so with this, we're going to start nice and gentle. We're just going to turn and rotate. We're going to do this just for a minute or two. Come up. Rear hand comes up from underneath and then turn to the side. Rear hand comes up from underneath and turn to the side. This is known as switching. This is just level one, loosening up the spine. And turn. And turn. That's it. Nice and slow, nice and gentle.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.